He has told us about the disabilities of the students which they are facing, and he has also told us how we can tackle with those disabilities. Then the session taken by Bindu ma'am regarding the teaching of prose. She has told us whatever we are speaking, whatever we are teaching to the students, whether it is related to story, essay, they all come in prose only. So we do it to work on the 4 skills of the student, that is listening, speaking, writing and reading. If we are able to develop these 4 skills, we will become a perfect teacher of English. Then the session taken by Ramesh sir regarding reading and writing skill, the session taken by Babita ma'am regarding writing and listening skill, all the session taken by Ashok sir regarding cyber crimes, the session taken by Hawa Singh sir related to NAP 2020. We all know about all these things. The student who was sitting in our class, they are also having all the resources. They know each and everything. But then what is the need of the teacher? The need of the teacher is when the teacher is coming into the class, the resources which the students are having, they are able to facilitate those, guide those things to the student whether they are correct or not. अब वो ज़माना नहीं है कि हम पढ़ाएंगे वो पढ़ेंगे, नहीं है. वो आपसे ज़्यादा अपडेटेड बैठे हुए हैं. The children who are sitting in the class are more updated. Your duty is to guide them, to facilitate them. And when we feel demotivated, these training sessions are being organized. We are coming here, the faculty who is teaching here, they make us motivated. Every time when I am coming here, I feel motivated and then I think I will go and do something to change the scenario of government schools. I am not saying that I am a magic woman, I will change it, but I will try to change. This is 21st century. We need to develop the students. Spoken part, we are English teachers. हम ये नहीं कह सकते, nobody is perfect in this world. I do agree, I am also not perfect, but let's try. हमें कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए ना. Let's try to change let's change the thinking of the people who are not in government sector, who are saying that the government teachers are not teaching. Let's change their thought process. Let's do something. We are English teachers. The students who are sitting in the classroom, they are studying SS in Hindi, they are studying science in Hindi, they are studying maths in Hindi, all the subjects are Hindi. It's a big challenge for us to teach English to those students, but challenges are accepted. Optimism helps to endure dire stress. This line I have taught and I have read in 11th class. एक लाइन chapter है. We are not afraid to die if we are all together. If we all are together, we will be able to change the scenario of the government sector. The strength of the government sector will increase. Yes, it will take time. Changes will take time. Change take time करता है. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना भागने की भी. टाइम लीजिए, but please try ज़रूर कीजिए. Try करने से ही चीज़ें होती हैं. And at last, we are very thankful to Bir Singh sir, who has been so hospitable, who has arranged all the things for us and made the diet environment so friendly for us that we are able to have this 3-day inspirational, knowledgeable training in a very good way. Thank you to all the faculty.